Mr. Speaker, the Ministry's action plan approved by Cabinet to stem the spread of the disease and address the institutional weaknesses of the Veterinary Services Directorate, VSD, include the following activities: the recruitment of 1,100 veterinary professionals for deployment throughout the country. Financial clearance to that effect has already been secured to cover the recruitment of an initial 550 veterinary professionals. The remaining 550 will be engaged within a period of 2 years to strengthen the institutional human resource capacity of the VSD. This has been lacking well before the government of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo assumed office in 2017. Procurement of vehicles has been approved by the government to revamp the VSD for enhanced operations manifested by effective surveillance, early detection, rapid response to diseases, intensification of emphasis to ensure biosecurity, depopulation, and to eliminate any threats to public health. All these activities will be preceded by the rollout of a comprehensive immunization program nationwide by the end of the first week of February 2022.